Hi, everyone. In this short video, I want to give you a high-level walkthrough of this notebook for audio pre-processing, not to teach you every line of code, but to explain why it exists, what it's doing conceptually, and why it's worth your time to work through it carefully on your own. This notebook is intentionally written as a guided exploration, not just a reference. If you only skim it, you're going to miss a lot of things, learning that happens between the cells. At a high level, this notebook is about turning raw data into something usable. In machine learning, signal processing, and data science more broadly, the hard part is very often not the model. It's everything that comes before the model. Loading data correctly, understanding its structure, transforming it into a form that algorithms can actually work with. This notebook walks through that entire process step by step with the goal of helping you build intuition, not just code that runs. So what this notebook is doing, conceptually, you can think of the notebook as doing three main things. First, it's focused on data ingestion and inspection. You'll see how the data is loaded, what its shape means, and why those details matter. A big emphasis here is not blindly trusting the data. We constantly ask, what does each dimension represent? What assumptions are we making? What could go wrong if those assumptions are wrong? Second, this notebook walks through pre-processing and transformation. This includes reshaping, normalization, other operations that might feel mechanical at first, but these steps directly affect whether later analysis succeeds or fails. Small pre-processing mistakes can silently invalidate results, which is why we slow down here. Third, it emphasizes sanity checks and visualization. Throughout the notebook, you'll see checks that confirm values are in expected ranges, transformations have behaved as intended, and that outputs look reasonable. This is a habit I want you to build. Never assume code worked just because it didn't crash. You're going to waste a lot of time in deep learning if you go in with the wrong mentality. So how to use this notebook? I strongly encourage you to run this notebook top to bottom, even if parts feel super obvious. And here's how I recommend engaging with it. Pause after each major section and ask yourself why that step is necessary. Try changing small things, a parameter, a slice, a transformation, and observe what breaks. If something surprises you, that's a good sign. You're learning. This notebook is written to be read, not just executed. The comments and structure are there to guide your thinking, not to be skipped. If you treat this as something to get through, you'll miss the point, and then you're just wasting your time. If you treat this as something to understand, it'll pay dividends later. You're going to be faster at your homework and better at your homework, and it makes the class easier, especially when your own projects stop working and you need to debug them. Why this matters going forward, everything we do later, whether it's modeling, evaluation, or interpretation, depends on the choices made here. Strong practitioners are not distinguished by fancy models alone, but by careful data handling, clear mental models of their code, what their code is doing, and disciplined validation at every step. This notebook is meant to help you start building those skills early. So that's the big picture. I'm not expecting you to memorize this notebook. That'd be crazy. But I am expecting you to work through it thoughtfully, take your time with it, experiment, and don't be afraid to break things and fix them. If you do that, this notebook will be far more valuable than it looks at first glance. Thanks and happy deep learning.